Welcome to new video of easypowerbi.com. In this video, I'm going to explain how we can use stacked column chart as card. So why this experiment was done, basically when you are using card visuals, it is not acting as slicer in your visuals. So if you want someone to click on card and you want its impact on other visuals, it is not possible. So just to create something which is very much similar in look and feel of a card visual, we can implement the same scenario. So this is a very simple example, and if you want to implement it at your workplace in your visuals and reporting, you can try it. I'm going to share all other experiments as well in my channel, so keep following it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's go towards the example. So in this example, if you can see that there are two visuals available over here. One is showing the pizza total, another is showing the cake total. So in the pizza total, if I click on this visual, this table is going to be filtered, and the values which are showing over here are related to pizza only. And if I click on this cake visual over here, it's showing me the cake total, and if I deselect it again, it's going to give me a combined one. So this kind of behavior is not possible through card visuals. So what I did over here is, if I select this visual and if you go to this visual part, this is a very common stacked column chart. In this stacked column chart, I am using this product name and this one, and if you'll see over here in visual, I'm selecting only cake over here in the filter. So it is restricting this stacked column chart to cake. In the same manner, if I click on pizza, it is restricting it to pizza only. So just because of that, it is actually showing the selection based table. Like if I select over here, I click on cake, it will filter this table based on that. So there are a few things to notice, like uh, this is stacked column chart, but both has different values, but it is not showing you a kind of a graph like this one is bigger and this one is smaller. These are two separate stacked column chart. So just to produce a card like behavior, what I did in this uh, visual, in the y-axis, I have given the start value as 0 and end value as 1. So this is actually making it like, because the values are so small and these values are too big, so in any case the size will be same. So it is actually showing you in a card like style, and the box size or the graph size is not going to change. Secondly, one another thing which I have implemented, although this is not very much related to this card visual, but what I have used, if you see that if I select cake, it is showing you the title like only cake is selected, and when I click on pizza, it will say pizza is selected, and when I deselect, it will show me all products. So this title actually is coming through field value, and I have define this DAX formula over here. So this is actually checking like if I'm comparing the product selected with the total number of products. So if both are equal, it means nothing is selected and it's going to show me all products. And if uh, anything is selected, then it's going to show me like only cake or pizza is selected. So this is a very simple technique, so you can try it in your visuals as well, and do share your feedback like whether you like this technique or not. So keep following easypowerbi.com.